After traveling between Honduras, Costa Maya, and Cozumel, it has become abundantly apparent that the culture here depends on the wildlife just as much as the wildlife depend on the culture. Welcome to another episode of Nature's Lit, and today we're talking about how culture and wildlife coexist. So you have communities that have lived alongside mangroves, iguanas, coral reefs for generations. Their food, their stories, their traditions, and even their economies come from the land and the ocean around them. We learned in Roatan, Honduras, that ecotourism is actually their number one way of bringing in income to the island, as well as their number two being seafood exports. In Costa Maya, the tradition of the Maya are actually carved into the land, and you can actually see a lot of their connection with nature and a lot of their ceremonial and spiritual displays. I was told that it was also okay to record this. This was called the ceremonial flight. Before this, there was a moment of prayer. I did not record during that time, but the flight in and of itself, just from the video, it was amazing to witness. In Cozumel, the culture is literally built around the ocean. From reef-guided fishing tours to marine conservation work that is being done there right now. And I did get to see some wildlife, and while I didn't get to see a ton of wildlife because we didn't do any jungle hikes or anything like that, I was able to see the connection between these cultures and the natural world around them. So be sure to follow for part 2 so that I can share advice that was shared to me on how to be an eco-friendly traveler when you come to visit. And remember, nature is lit and it is for everybody.